Hello, English learners, and welcome back to Mr. English SH, the podcast where English becomes easier, clearer, and more exciting every single day. I'm your host, Sarah, and today we're diving into a topic that every English learner struggles with at some point: how to speak English confidently, naturally, and without fear. But before we begin, let me ask you something important. Have you ever stayed silent because you were scared you might say something wrong? If your answer is yes, trust me, you're not alone. Confidence is the biggest challenge in learning English, and that's exactly what we're going to fix today. So grab your tea, get comfortable, and stay with me till the end. By the time we finish, you'll have a clear and powerful method to speak English confidently every day. Let me tell you a quick story. A few years ago, I met a student named Mira. She understood English, she loved English, but she never spoke it because she felt her accent wasn't perfect and her grammar was not good enough. One day, I told her something simple. You don't need perfect English. You need real English. She started practicing small sentences every day, just 5 minutes. Within 3 months, she was speaking confidently in front of people. And if she can do it, so can you. Part 1. The real reason you're not confident. Most people think they can't speak English because they don't know enough grammar. But that's not true. The real reason is this: you don't practice speaking. You only practice learning. Think about it. You watch videos, you read sentences, you write notes. But how often do you speak? Speaking is like swimming. You can watch 100 videos about swimming, but you won't learn until you jump into the water. So today, I'm going to give you a formula that will help you speak, not just study. Part 2. The 3-step confidence formula. Step 1. Shadowing, the technique that changes everything. Shadowing means repeating what you hear instantly. No thinking, no translating, just copying the sound like an echo. Let's do a live mini exercise right now. I'll say a sentence, you repeat it. I am learning English every day. I am improving step by step. I speak with confidence. See, you just practiced speaking. Not grammar, not vocabulary, speaking. Do this for 5 minutes daily, and you'll feel your fluency improve in just 1 week. Step 2. Micro-speaking moments. Small sentences, big results. Most people think they need 1 full hour to learn English, but real progress comes from small daily habits. For example, while brushing your hair, I am getting ready. While cooking, I am making breakfast. Before leaving your house, I'll be back soon. These tiny sentences build confidence without pressure. Step 3. The don't wait rule. Confidence doesn't come before speaking. Confidence comes after speaking. So if you wait for confidence, you'll be waiting forever. So speak even if you're not ready. Speak even if you make mistakes. Speak even if your voice shakes a little. Because every mistake is a sign that you're learning. All right, now let's practice a simple daily conversation. I'll speak 1 sentence, then pause a little so you can repeat after me. Ready? Hi, how are you today?